Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about how to change the theme in Visual Studio. So first of all, open your Visual Studio. I've already opened in my window taskbar. So first of all, you need to select the tools and go to options, and here you can see various options over there, but you don't need to look for any other option because you can find that you can see the general option here, and here you can see the light theme is already been selected, but it's all about dark theme. If you want to change the theme to dark, and I'm gonna change this theme to dark theme, so I will select the dark theme, and I will press the OK button, and here you can see the change. Here you can see the theme, the light theme has turned into the black theme. So please subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.